हेलो गाइस व्हाट्सअप, क्या हाल चाल। अरे ये पता है क्या आ रहा है कैमरे में? ये वायर आ रही है, देखो ये चार्जर, ये ऐसे ही पड़ा है। ओके गाइस व्हाट्सअप, कैसे आप लोग? आज थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया हूँ ऑफिस के लिए, एंड टुडे आई हैव टू गो to a place which will be very excited if you get to see that. Why I'm saying that is because I am going to register for a place which is only for Indian engineers. So all the engineers, not all the engineers, but yeah, the engineers who will register there, they will come to that venue and like gather there and have tea or coffee, like snacks and all, and they will have a discussion. थोड़ा कैमरा एंगल चेंज करते हैं. सो गाइस टुडे, सो नॉट टुडे, yesterday, still my flag is not yeah, let the weekend come. Oh, okay, so guys, last time also I told you that I am going to ask my manager for work from home because of my back pain. So he said, I thought that he would say no, it's not possible, you have to come to office, this and that, but suddenly he said, okay, you have to submit the medical certificate and then we will think about giving you work from home for 2 days in a week. So I would say, I was like, oh my god, really? Is he agreeing? So but yeah, it was very kind of him to agree on that, because yeah, really I'm having issues going to office 3 hours a day. As you all know, if somebody is watching for the first time, I'm going to the train and I'm spending 3 hours a day coming and going. Not 3 hours, getting ready, this that, so around 7 hours in 2 days I would save if I get work from home. So yeah, I will take tomorrow work from home. I asked him that whatever documents, I showed him that I have this receipt, I had this chemist receipt, I have this doctor's prescription, would that work? He said no, at least we need that shindansho, in Japanese we call it, this is medical certificate. So I said okay, I will go to the hospital, so let me take work from home for that day so that I can go to the hospital and take the shindansho. He said okay, you take the work from home and do that. I said okay, thank you. So that is the update, and once I get the shindansho, I will show you how shindansho looks like, okay, medical certificate, and I will also show you what receipts. I asked him that are these okay or not. He said no, we want shindansho. So I'll show you the difference. What is shindansho, what are the other receipts that we get from the doctor and the chemist, okay? I know a lot of you would say no, how we will not understand Japanese, but just see the layout, it will not take much time. Okay guys, so I've reached office now, and let's quickly register for today's session. Okay, let me show you the screen. Here you can see tech session with Mr. Brian, the CEO of Woodstock. So let's read this. We are expecting talented engineers working in Japan. Guys, I'm not a talented engineer. Okay, so let's continue. We are expecting talented engineers working in Japan regardless of nationality to join this tech session. After the session, we will enjoy a networking over coffee or tea. So the venue is Vision Center Tokyo, Ekimae, like in front of the station, Ekimae, room number 701, 1 minute walk from Tokyo station. So guys, since I'll be leaving from office for this thing around 6 o'clock, so I will reach by 6:25 easily, because Tokyo station is around 15 to 20 minutes from my office station. However, right now where I am, where my office is, it is also Tokyo area, but Tokyo station is a little far. Details Google map is also given. Okay, so language is English. For today's session, participation fee is free. Let's do this form filling. Okay, so I have to put the name, number, and for future also, do I want to receive invitations and all from these people? So yeah, I'll do yes, and let me submit it. So guys, let's go to this event. I'm going to show you as much as possible, so be with me, and I will see you in the evening when the office is over. Here you can see they are transferring the stuff, the tires and all, from this truck. So this is Tohosho, and very beautiful truck. Let me show you from here. See. So guys, here you can see that tech session with Mr. Brian is booked now.
Acha.
Okay guys, now I am out of my office, and you know what time it is right now? 7:12 is the time, and at 7:15 the session was about to get over, and from 7:15 to 7:45 was tea break or lunch break and networking session. So already it's 7:12, so it will take 15-20 minutes for me to reach to Tokyo station. Then from there, so it will be over. So basically I won't be able to go, I think. So yeah, it's okay. This is what happens when you are working in a company. Because today I had 1.5 hours of overtime, because of which I could not log off on time and I have to miss the session. It's okay, shoga nahi, we can't do anything about it. So let's go back home. Okay guys, so आज की वीडियो तो कंप्लीट हो नहीं पाई. So 2 days back, when I was coming back from office and I was going back home, I saw Mrinmay san and Shripad san at the station, and we met and we decided that okay, let's go and have food outside. Usually we don't eat outside. They eat outside, but I don't eat. So they said that let's go outside. So yeah, we all decided to go and have food outside. So we went to a Japanese restaurant, authentic Japanese restaurant. So it was too much fun. You watch it. So as I was coming back from office, and you see whom I met, Mrinmay san and Shripad san. So yeah, so now we are planning to go to a restaurant. So Shripad san is going to buy some beer now. Beer from this pharmacy. So yes, this is how the pharmacy looks like. लगा दो. मैंने अपनी साइकिल इनको पकड़ा दी.
लगाना नहीं आता.
हाँ, उसको लॉक भी करते हैं यहाँ से.
कैसे?
इसको यूँ. चलो.
हो गया?
हाँ. इसको.
ये?
रहने दो, कोई नहीं, इतना तो कोई नहीं लेके जा रहा. You have to take the basket from here. कौन सी बियर ले रहे हो? So guys, this is the beer. I-96 Strong Zero. कितना परसेंट अल्कोहल है इसमें?
9%.
9%. Okay. There you can see it's written Osake Kona. Osake means the alcohol. Kona means the corner. So alcohol corner.
वाह क्या सीन है.
आप क्या ले रहे हो? मेकअप का सामान. ये लड़कियां मेकअप और कोई काम नहीं है इनको, बस खर्चा करवाओ. Makeup. So guys, in Japan, in the pharmacy, you will get to drink alcohol. Like, you'll not get to drink, but you can buy drinks like alcohol, beer, and any kind of alcohol at the pharmacy. So guys, now we are going to the restaurant, and this restaurant is just next to our share house. This is the first time I'm going inside this restaurant, and there is a street, and now let's go inside with Mrinmay san and Shripad san, and my cycle is with Mrinmay san. Mrinmay san, can you park it? Where will you park it? लगा दो, यहाँ पे लगा दो. बस ये दुकान खुले नहीं, क्योंकि अभी तो 8 बज गए हैं, तो आई डोंट थिंक इट विल ओपन अप. तो Mrinmay san से पार्क हुई नहीं साइकिल, आई विल पार्क. साइकिल भी पार्क नहीं हुई इनसे, पता नहीं वैसे भी नहीं हो रही है, क्योंकि ये छाता हट रहा है.
जल्दी आओ, चलो.
हाँ,
वो बैठने के लिए अंदर ऐसे नीचे.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
तो मैं अभी टेंशन में आ रहा हूँ.
पूछ रहे हैं.
तिथंच आसाई नामा बीर.
एवढंच सांगायचं होतं.
थोडी दिस So guys, this is how the menu looks like. So this is Honjitsu no Osusume, means today's recommendations. So the people who can read Japanese can read this. So guys, I have ordered this one. This is 680 yen, and the name of this dish is Tori Yuke. So 680 yen in INR is 408 rupees. Okay, and here you can see the photos of different dishes. This is tori sashi, this is chicken. Okay, and yeah, this is some drink. This this. So these are pasted on the wall. And there you see the authentic Japanese lighting. So guys, this is what they have given as complimentary. So this is chicken. So this is for all the three of us. This and this. दो. So those are the chopsticks. कैसे तोड़ते हैं chopsticks?
वैसे बीच में पकड़ते हैं अभी आना चाहिए आप
ओके ओके ये किस लिए
तो वो उसमें जो भी वो बाहर आ जाता है ना
ओके 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 थैंक यू ओके सो वी हैव गॉट आवर नेक्स्ट ऑर्डर दिस इज व्हाट इज दिस तोरी कावा व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ तोरी कावा
तोरी का स्किन मतलब चिकन का स्किन
तोरी युक्के आ गया है एंड इट लुक्स लाइक दिस इसमें एग है चिकन है और लेटस लीफ और ग्रीन अनियन
बड़ा अच्छा
नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू कॉल द पर्सन तो गाइस ऑम राइस आ गया है ऑमलेट राइस नाइस ये श्रीपद सा ने ऑर्डर किया कैसा लग रहा है
बहुत अच्छा
पहली बार खा रहे हो
यहाँ पे तो पहली बार
यहाँ पे मतलब जापान में ओके फिर कहाँ पे खाया
घर पे बनाते हैं
अच्छा यानी पहली बार ही खा रहे हो arigatou gozaimasu. So guys, I have ordered ninniku ramen and ninniku means the garlic. So this is the ramen with garlic. So garlic ramen. arigatou.
मस्त मूवी है देखो ये रेकमेंडेड है
हाँ So guys, now we have come out of the restaurant. Pritbhai san, how was the food? Was this your first time in this restaurant?
Yes,
How was it?
very good.
Very good. Shripad san.
The thing I ordered was good.
Okay, om rice.
Omurice.
Omelette rice. Okay. And I also ordered what Mrinmay san ordered, and it was okay. So I didn't like it much. So I want to show you here. See, I think some Indian is living here. ये दिवाली वाले lights ऐसा लग रहा है ना. Now the time is 9:20 and now we are going back home. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care and have fun. Bye bye.
Bye.
arigatou gozaimasu.